Okay, so one thing I do beforehand is make sure everything's laid out on a nice white tarp. In doing that, I don't lose anything into the grass or into the surrounding area. So I've got my fire blanket, all of these things get put away in a nice kind of orderly fashion. Fire blanket, fire gloves, they get put away. Now in terms of kindling, obviously I've been using twigs and sticks and things from the natural environment, but I've also got some starting flames, I've got some kindling in here, and I've also got some larger logs in there that I prepared in advance. They're dry wood because we've had quite a lot of wet weather recently. Fire large as well. All of these things get put away safely. This is what I was using to cook today. So I've got my nice roasted veg pasta there to have. All of these different items gets put away, but most important tip is to lay everything out at the start, so when you put it away you can do it in a nice orderly fashion and you don't miss anything. Once I've done that, and once I've removed evidence of the fire, which is just here, then I've cleared away the site. On there's a little place to kneel on as well. I've cleared away everything from the site and there'll be no evidence remaining that I've been here. So as you can see here, no evidence that we've been here at all. The tarp has been removed, everything's been put away, and this is the fire pit over here. So this is how it's going to look, and then once it has time just to kind of dry out, I'll give it a wipe down, clean it all up, and put that safely away in its protective bag, ready for the next use.